Welcome to the NFT Wizard. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit cryptocurrency to your Kucoin account. First of all, make sure to log in to your Kucoin account. And then head over here to Assets and then click on Main Account Deposit and Withdraw. Then head over here to Assets Overview. Now, it is important to understand whenever you deposit cryptocurrency to your Kucoin account, the cryptocurrency will actually be transferred to your main account rather than your trading account. And that is why we will now open up our main account here. And we then have a list here with all the cryptocurrencies. And the most important information for us now here is this operation section, because we will need this whenever we want to deposit cryptocurrency to our Kucoin account. In fact, we will use the deposit function. So first of all, make sure that the deposit function is available for your cryptocurrency. As you can see, for some cryptocurrencies, the deposit button here is actually grayed out, and in that case, that would mean that you can't deposit this cryptocurrency to Kucoin. However, most likely you would like to transfer some popular cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum or Solana, and in these cases there's nothing to worry about because Kucoin obviously supports these deposits. So here in the search field I'm just going to search for ETH, for example, and we can find Ethereum here, and as you can see the deposit option here is indeed green, so we are able to deposit Ethereum to our Kucoin account. So once you found the cryptocurrency that you would like to deposit to Kucoin in this list here, the next step will be to click here on deposit. In my case, I will really go with ETH here, so I just search here for ETH, and then I will click here under Ethereum here, I will click here on deposit. Now this is where things get serious, because now we can actually see our Ethereum address here. And this is the actual wallet address for Ethereum transfers. Also, it's very important for you to understand that every Kucoin user has their own wallet address for different cryptocurrencies. So you absolutely have to check that in your own account and then make sure that you copy the right address. If you would like to deposit Solana or another cryptocurrency, then you can't use this address, because if you do, then your money will be lost. The next step for us to take would actually be here to copy this address. You can do that by highlighting the whole address, or you can also click here on this button here. This will copy the address to your clipboard. Once you have successfully copied this address, we are now ready to transfer our Ethereum to our Kucoin account. Now the next step will obviously depend on which kind of crypto wallet you are using. In this case, as we are transferring Ethereum, we are going to use the Metamask wallet, which is the most popular option for the Ethereum blockchain. However, it doesn't really matter if you are using Metamask or some other Ethereum wallet, because the procedure will always be the same. The thing that is really important is that you get this wallet address here right, because if you don't have the right address, the transaction will fail and there will be no way for you to retrieve your money. That said, I'm now heading over to my Metamask account here, and in order to send my Ethereum, I would then have to click here on send. And to now send my cryptocurrency over to my Kucoin account, I would then have to insert this wallet address that we just copied to our clipboard. So I will make sure to right click here and click on paste. And as you can see, our wallet address now appears here in our Metamask. Now all that is left for me to do here is to make sure that the asset is indeed saying ETH here, and then under amount you would specify how much Ethereum you would like to send to Kucoin. As I barely have any Ethereum on my account here, I won't be able to proceed, but in your case, let's say if you have 1 Ethereum, then you can simply enter 1 here and then you will click on next. After that, you will just need to sign the transaction and then your transfer will begin. It usually just takes a few minutes until your cryptocurrency will arrive on your Kucoin account. To find your money on your Kucoin account, you can click here on Assets in the top right corner and then go to Main Account, then switch over here to Assets Overview. And once your money arrived, you will see the new balance here under Main Account. So now it says $1.25. But let's suppose I really sent over 1 ETH, then you would see the new balance here appearing under main account. And that's basically it. Now just one more thing. Once you have received your money on your Kucoin account, and then if you would like to do some trading, let's say you would like to change your ETH into some other cryptocurrency, then before you can actually do that, you will have to transfer your Ethereum to your trading account. Because only money that is in the trading account can actually be used for trading. To do so, you would simply go into your main account, then there search for your cryptocurrency. And to put that money now into your trading account, I will still use ETH here in this example. And then under ETH, then you would have to click here on transfer. Then put in the amount and confirm that. And your money will then be on the trading and you will be ready to trade. It is important to understand that the process of transferring cryptocurrency to your Kucoin account is always the same. In our case, we used Ethereum, but if you would use Solana, then you would have to do it in the exact same way. However, you absolutely need to make sure that you indicate the correct wallet address. And as pointed out earlier, every cryptocurrency will have a different wallet address. And again, to find this wallet address, you would first search for your cryptocurrency here in this list. Maybe I will just give you this Solana example as well. So I will just search here for Sol, and here's our Solana. So in that case, if I would like to transfer over some Solana to my Kucoin account, I would then go to deposit here, and then I would have to use this Solana wallet address here in order to make sure that my Solana will safely arrive in my Kucoin account. If you mess this up, your money will be lost. So please pay attention to that. Here under the address, Kucoin is also pointing out the address is not allowed to deposit other assets other than Sol, and any other asset deposit will not be recovered. And that's it, guys. This is how you transfer cryptocurrency to your Kucoin account. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.